4 power of x plus 15 is equal to 200. Find the value of x. So 4 power of x plus 15 is same as 4 power x times 4 power 15. Then here is equal to 200. Now we divided by 4 power 15 in both sides. So divided by 4 power 15 divided by 4 power 15. We see this 4 power 15, this 4 power 15 will be cancelled. Now we take log in both sides. So log of 4 power x is equal to log of 200 over 4 power 15. In the next step, this power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 4 is equal to, here we apply this formula, log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. So it will be log 200 minus log 4 power 15. Now we have x log 4 is equal to log 200 minus this power 15 will move to the base, so it will be 15 log 4. Now we divided by log 4 in both sides because we need the value of x. So divided by log 4 divided by log 4. We see this log 4 will be cancelled. So we have x will be equal to this part of log 4 minus this part of log 4. So log 200 can be written as log of 2 times 100 of log 4 is same as 2 log 2. Then here minus 15 log 4 of log 4. We see this log 4 will be cancelled. In the next step, x will be equal to, here log of 2 times 100, so we apply this formula, log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So it will be log 2 plus log 100 over 2 log 2, 2 log 2, then here minus 15. In the next step, x will be equal to log 2 over 2 log 2, then here plus log 100 can be written as log of 5 square times 2 square. 5 square is same as 25, 2 square is same as 4. So 25 times 4 is same as 100. Then over 2 log 2. Then here minus 15. In the next step, x will be equal to this log 2 will be cancelled. So here 1 over 2, then plus here it will be log 5 square plus log 2 square over 2 log 2. Then here minus 15. In the next step, x will be equal to 1 by 2 plus log 5 square is same as 2 log 5. This power 2 will move to the base. So here 2 log 5 of 2 log 2. Then here plus log 2 square is same as 2 log 2 of 2 log 2. Then here minus 15. We see this 2 log 2, this 2 log 2 will be cancelled. Here 1. In the next step, x will be equal to 1 over 2. Now this 2 will be cancelled. So here plus log 5 over log 2 is same as log 5 base 2 plus 1 minus 15, that means it will be minus 14. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer. Now to verify our equation was 4 power of x plus 15 is equal to 200. Now 4 power of x, that means the value of x is 1 by 2 plus log 5 base 2 minus 14. Then here plus 15. Then is it equal to 200? In the next step, 4 power of 1 by 2 plus log 5 base 2, then plus 15 minus 14, that means it will be plus 1. Then here is it equal to 200? In the next step, 4 power of 1 by 2 plus 1, that means it will be 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 is same as 3 by 2 plus log 5 base 2. Then here is it equal to 200? In the next step, here we apply this exponential rule that a power of m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So according to this exponential rule, we can write here 4 power of 3 by 2 times 4 power of log 5 base 2. Is it equal to 200? Now 4 is same as 2 power 2, then multiply by power of 3 by 2, then here times 4 is same as 2 power 2, then multiply by log 5 base 2. Is it equal to 200? Now this 2 will be cancelled. So we have 2 power 3 times 2 power of 2 log 5 base 2 is same as log 5 power 2 base of 2. Is it equal to 200? Now 2 power 3 is same as 8 times 2 to the power log 5 square base 2. So 2 power of log 5 square is same as 25 base of 2. Is it equal to 200? Now we have 8 times, here we apply this formula, a to the power log b base a is equal to b. A to the power log b base a is equal to b. So 2 to the power log 25 base 2 is same as 25, is equal to 200. Now 8 multiplied by 25 is same as 200. So of course 200 is equal to 200. So left side is equal to right side.